Hey friends, if you encounter Valorant Error Code 19 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the VGC service, okay? Right click on the VGC service and then select start. It would be stopped. You need to click on start or on restart. This will solve the problem in 90% of the cases, but if it doesn't solve the problem, then here's what you have to do. You need to check the internet connection first of all. Go to fast.com and check the speed of the internet connection. Now, why are we checking the speed of the internet connection? Why should it be around 100 Mbps or something? Because Valorant is a game that is played entirely through the internet and it consumes a lot of network resources. So you need to have an excellent internet speed to work on that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.